Well, can a sunscreen do it all? Protect, prime, and resist? Yes, our matte moisturizing mineral sunscreen can. This sunscreen's job is to protect your skin against harmful UVA and UVB rays. Its mousse-like matte texture doubles up as a primer under makeup. And yes, it's water resistant up to 80 minutes. Let's test this sunscreen out while I do my makeup. Watch along for some hacks. I've already prepped my skin by cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Now, let's apply the sunscreen. This is SPF 30. Do you see the matte finish on my skin? Just like a primer. Now let's apply the foundation. This primer-like finish of the sunscreen feels so lightweight. See how well the foundation sits on my skin? Great skincare prep means a flawless makeup look. And don't worry, if you're wearing this during the monsoon and the skin gets dewy, just keep a beauty blender handy, use it dry and dab it. All that water will be soaked in by the sponge. Don't forget to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours. Just use the same beauty blender, make it damp and dab the sunscreen on the face. Don't blend. Remember, don't apply too much together. Build it up lightly. The universal tint of the sunscreen will just blend with your skin tone. So don't worry. Wearing and reapplying a sunscreen is that easy. So wear a sunscreen and keep your skin in the pink of health, always. Don't forget to share these hacks, Pink Tribe, and follow and subscribe to our channels. See you soon.